Homeowners in Milton, Massachusetts, know the importance of creating a safe, comfortable environment, especially when it comes to the air inside their homes. Between cold, closed-up winters and humid, pollen-filled summers, maintaining healthy indoor air quality can be a challenge. What many don't realize, however, is that the condition and quality of their windows play a major role in how clean and breathable that air really is. Modern, energy-efficient windows do more than improve comfort and appearance. They help regulate airflow, prevent pollutants from entering, and minimize moisture buildup, all of which contribute to a healthier living space. Here's how upgrading to quality windows can make a noticeable difference in your family's indoor air and overall well-being. Better ventilation for cleaner, fresher air. Fresh air circulation is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. Without it, pollutants such as dust, pet dander, cleaning chemicals, and carbon dioxide can build up, particularly during the long New England winters when homes are tightly sealed against the cold. High-quality windows, especially casement and double-hung styles, are designed for smooth, easy operation. They open wider and seal tightly when closed, giving homeowners greater control over ventilation. On milder days in Milton's spring and fall seasons, opening these windows allows natural cross-ventilation, flushing out stale air and introducing fresh outdoor air. This simple action can significantly improve air quality and reduce reliance on mechanical ventilation systems. Reducing drafts and outdoor pollutant infiltration while controlled ventilation is good, uncontrolled air leaks through old or damaged windows are not. Drafty windows can pull in dust, pollen, exhaust fumes, and other airborne particles, especially in busy neighborhoods or during allergy season. Modern, energy-efficient replacement windows are built with tight seals, multiple weather-stripping layers, and insulated glass that prevent outside air from entering. This helps keep pollutants out and maintains a cleaner indoor environment. In a town like Milton, where tree-lined streets and seasonal blooms are part of the charm, quality windows provide the perfect balance, letting in light and fresh air when desired, while keeping allergens and debris at bay the rest of the time. Moisture control and mold prevention. Excess humidity and condensation can create ideal conditions for mold and mildew growth, which can seriously impact indoor air quality and trigger allergies or respiratory issues. Older single-pane windows are prone to condensation because they lack proper insulation. By contrast, modern double or triple pane windows with argon gas fills and low-E coatings help maintain consistent indoor surface temperatures, reducing the chance of moisture buildup. In addition, well-sealed windows block outdoor humidity from seeping inside during Milton's muggy summer months, helping maintain a balanced indoor environment and protecting your walls, frames, and air from mold spores. Improved HVAC efficiency and cleaner circulation. When windows are leaky or poorly insulated, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a steady temperature. This extra strain can cause your system to circulate air more frequently, including any trapped dust or allergens inside the ducts. With high-performance, energy-efficient windows, your home maintains a more stable indoor temperature naturally. This reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, meaning the air circulating through your home stays cleaner and less contaminated. Plus, maintaining proper humidity and minimizing drafts prevents dust and debris from being pulled through gaps in the building envelope, another way quality windows quietly contribute to a healthier home. A healthier home environment for every season. In a climate as varied as Massachusetts, where homes endure both snowstorms and heat waves, high-quality windows serve as a year-round defense against environmental factors that can affect your health. During winter, they seal out frigid air and moisture. In summer, they block UV rays and limit heat and humidity from entering. Throughout the year, they allow precisely controlled ventilation, ensuring that every breath you take indoors feels fresher and cleaner. For families in Milton, investing in new windows isn't just about comfort or aesthetics. It's about creating a healthier home where air quality, efficiency, and well-being come together. Final thoughts: quality windows are one of the most overlooked contributors to healthy indoor air. By improving ventilation, blocking pollutants, and reducing moisture, they help create a cleaner, safer environment for you and your family. If your Milton home has older or drafty windows, now is the perfect time to explore energy-efficient replacement options. With professional installation and the right materials, you can enjoy not only better air quality but also lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and lasting peace of mind, no matter what the Massachusetts weather brings.